Hi, it's Sam from Hannells Estate Agents and we're here today on Trowells Lane looking at this fantastic period property. Let's go and have a look. So as soon as we get inside, we're greeted by some fantastic original features. We've got 5 bedrooms, 2 generous reception rooms, a separate conservatory. Well, let's start in the lounge. So we're here in the lounge and we've got this beautiful bay window, traditional fireplace, lots of original features around the room as well. And next, let's head on to the kitchen. So we're into the kitchen, we've got a variety of units, a range cooker, the original fireplace which is fantastic for wood or coal. We've also got a separate utility room just behind the camera, as well as a ground floor WC. So as we walk down towards our next reception room, we've got access to the cellar and an additional storage cupboard. So here in the sitting room, again we're greeted by these beautiful high ceilings. We've got a stunning looking traditional fireplace, wooden floors and French doors opening into a beautiful conservatory. So we have a great sized conservatory, full width of the property and French doors leading out into the garden. But before we head there, let's head on upstairs. Here on the first floor, there's 3 double bedrooms and the family bathroom. Let's go and have a look at them all. So just down the corridor here, a 5-piece family bathroom, freestanding bath, large shower cubicle, tiles keeping with the period features of the property. This is the first floor, let's head on up to the second. So on the second floor, we've got another good sized bedroom just behind you. Down here, former art studio, now double bedroom, lots more storage into the eaves as well, and fantastic views to both front and rear. So that's the inside done. I promised you the garden, so let's head downstairs and have a look. So out in the garden here, we've got a lovely dining area, barbecue space as well, a grapevine that through the summer produces lots of grapes, lovely lawn area and a beautiful willow down at the end. Thank you for joining me here today on Trowells Lane. Now This property is available for view right now through the Mickleover branch of Hannells. If you want to give us a call, our number is 01332 540 522. Thank you for seeing it with me today, and I will see you again soon.